This is a nice slide, I think, because it encapsulates these discussions that we're having about what's healthy, what's unhealthy, what's pathological. And so what I've just been talking about is narcissistic personality disorder. Malignant narcissism. Antisocial PD and psychopathy don't always involve narcissism. And I'm not sure I would include those there, because I promise you that not every pathological narcissist you see will be antisocial, and they certainly won't be psychopaths.
Is it identification with the aggressor? Those of you who know Anna Freud's work, she was one of the things she majored on, was that in order to master the experience of being abused, neglected, treated badly, you may become like it. That if you are in a narcissistic context, family, or indeed society, and you aren't very resilient, becoming narcissistic may be the only way you can manage.